Throughout history, those who mastered financial principles created lasting prosperity, shaping economies and leaving legacies that endure today. The difference between being rich and being broke isn't luck, intelligence, or even where you were born. It's something much deeper, unspoken rules that the rich live by while the poor remain unaware. You see, wealth isn't just about having money. It's a mindset, a system, and a way of thinking that most people never learn. But today, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful, unspoken rules that set the rich apart from the poor. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what separates the wealthy from the struggling and how you can start applying these principles today. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. The rich play to win, the poor play not to lose. The rich play to win the game of life while the poor play just to avoid losing. And that mindset alone determines who thrives and who barely gets by. The wealthy take calculated risks, seize opportunities, and invest in growth while the poor stay stuck in a loop of fear, comfort, and just getting by. The rich think in terms of expansion. They start businesses, invest in assets, and create multiple income streams. The poor? They worry about job security, avoid risks, and live paycheck to paycheck, never daring to think beyond survival. Stop living in defense mode. Instead of just avoiding failure, chase success aggressively. Learn, invest, build. Take smart risks and make money work for you instead of living in fear of losing it. Number 2, they own it. The rich don't just earn money, they own the assets that generate it. Rihanna became a billionaire not from music but from ownership. She didn't just sing, she built Fenty Beauty, where she owns 50% of the company, turning it into a $2.8 billion empire. If she only relied on music, she'd just be rich. By owning something, she became wealthy. 2 people work 20 years at a company. One climbs the ladder but never invests. When they lose their job, they have nothing. The other starts side businesses, buys rental properties, and invests in stocks. Even if they quit, money keeps flowing in. Who's truly free? Buy stocks instead of just spending. Build a business instead of just working one. If you don't control your income sources, someone else will control you. Number 3, laser focus builds empires. Distraction destroys fortunes. The rich don't chase every opportunity. They master one thing with ruthless focus and turn it into a gold mine. The poor? They are scattered, hopping from idea to idea, trying everything but mastering nothing. In The One Thing, Gary Keller writes, "Success is about doing the right thing, not everything." Yet most people waste time scrolling, partying, or juggling too many things at once, thinking they're being productive. The result? Mediocrity. The wealthy cut out distractions, say no to time wasters, and dedicate themselves to what truly matters. Focus is a superpower. Pick your lane, master it, and block out distractions. Number 4, speed wins. Hesitation kills wealth. The rich move fast. They see an opportunity, analyze it quickly, and take action. Success loves speed. Those who take massive action dominate the market. Most people are stuck in research mode, waiting for the perfect time, which never comes. Meanwhile, the wealthy fail fast, learn, adjust, and move forward while others are still deciding. Speed creates momentum. Hesitation destroys it. The faster you move, the more opportunities you create. Stop waiting. Start acting. Perfection is an illusion. Execution beats endless planning. The poor say, "I'll do it later." The rich say, "I'll do it now." Which one are you? Number 5. Your life is a reflection of your standards. 2 employees work the same job. One accepts low pay and a dead-end role. The other demands more, learning skills, networking, and negotiating a raise. One stays stuck. The other doubles their income in a year. Why? Higher standards. Arnold Schwarzenegger didn't settle for being a great bodybuilder. He raised his standards to become a Hollywood star and a governor. If he had accepted just being good, he would have never built a $450 million empire. If you accept average, you get average. Expect more from yourself, push past limits, and never settle. Because the moment you do, you stop growing. Number 6. Execution beats endless planning. The rich take action, while the poor overthink and procrastinate. Ideas don't make money, execution does. In The War of Art, Stephen Pressfield writes, Resistance will tell you anything to keep you from doing your work. It will perjure, fabricate, seduce, bully. It will assume any form if that's what it takes to stop you. Overthinking kills success. The rich understand that speed and execution matter more than perfect ideas. Action creates momentum. Stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Do the work, make mistakes, learn fast, and keep moving. The poor say, I need to think about it. The rich say, I'll figure it out while doing it. Which one are you? Number 7. The rich think in decades. The poor think in paychecks. The average person lives paycheck to paycheck, making short-term decisions. The rich? They think in decades. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in 1994. For years, he reinvested every dollar knowing that massive wealth would come later. Meanwhile, many people want results overnight. That's why they fall for get-rich-quick schemes, while the rich build lasting empires. Shift your mindset. Instead of asking, how can I make money fast? Ask, what can I build that will create wealth 10 years from now? Number 8. Master the comeback, not just the outcome. The rich don't just chase success, they prepare for setbacks. The poor? They quit at the first sign of failure. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill writes, every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Yet most people fear failure so much that they never take big risks. They want fast results, instant success, and an easy ride. But wealth isn't built on flawless wins. It's built on resilience, persistence, and the ability to bounce back stronger. Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper for lacking creativity. His first animation company went bankrupt, but he refused to quit. He kept pushing forward until he created Disney, a company worth over $200 billion today. Tough times will come, but quitting guarantees failure. Train yourself to see setbacks as lessons, not roadblocks. Number 9. The rich control their emotions. The poor let emotions control them. The stock market crashes. The rich buy more assets because they see it as a discount. The poor? They panic and sell. Your emotions can be your biggest financial enemy. The rich make data-driven decisions. The poor react emotionally. Our emotions can build or destroy your wealth. Master them or they will master you. Next time fear or greed kicks in, pause. Ask yourself, am I making this decision based on facts or emotions? Number 10. Your only competition is the person in the mirror. The rich understand a simple truth. You are your biggest asset or your biggest liability. The poor waste time blaming the economy, their boss, or luck, while the wealthy take radical responsibility for their progress. You don't need permission to succeed. You need discipline, self-mastery, and action. Stop competing with others. Compete with the version of you from yesterday. The poor compare and complain. The rich compete with themselves and grow. Are you playing to win or just trying not to lose? Are you thinking in decades or just in paychecks? The rich follow a different set of rules, and now you know them too. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.